semicolon of English, your fundamental concept is totally clear about the English grammar. Then the second problem is conversation. You should need to negotiate or to talk with the native speaker. So for that purpose, you should need the first problem to solve it, pronunciation. You should the full command word pronunciation, then you would be able to talk with the native speaker or English speaking country in the best way. Okay, so for example, you know this word have. Many people know this word have, but they are going to pronounce that up. So that is the basic problem. Now, we are going to say this kind of sounds is called schwa sound. And schwa sound basically natural sounds of the native speaker. So that is called accent. That is called accent. Now, what does it mean of accent and pronunciation? For example, if I know this word, okay, for example, I'm going to say have, but now I'm not able to pronounce this word actually in the accent of the native speaker. I'm not able. I know this word, this is have, but here I have some problem. The problem is I am not able to pronounce the actual and the accurate accent of the native speaker. For example, what the native speaker is pronouncing this word, so this is called af. This is called af. So this is the first problem. And the second problem is schwa sounds. Schwa sounds mean the native speaker are talking in a very fast mood. There, for example, when they are going to say, for example, if I'm going to say like this, you should meticulously methodical practice in narration. If you know the semicolon of English, you will never be able to go of anything else. So this is called schwa sound. You are not able to get my sounds as well. So schwa sounds basically the natural sounds of the native speaker. So that is called accent. That is called accent. We know this word have. We were going to try to pronounce this word in the accent of the native speaker. So that is called correct pronunciation. Correct pronunciation. Now, the third problem is intonation. Intonation. Intonation means, if I say in simple words, vicissitudes of the sounds, the ups and downs of the sound, that is called. For example, if you have heard this word like this kind of things, so this is called intonation. When I am going to talk with someone, I call it wait a while after.